It was a per machine ransom. It was a lot of money. And in that moment, you start thinking, am I going to have to pay this? WED2B is an international retailer. We have stores across 5 countries, mainly in Northern Europe and in the UK, 58 stores in total. We had a situation where all our data was being held to ransom. Should we have situations where we can't access our data, we can't service our brides in stores, and for any of that data to go missing would be, very difficult for us to endure. It would have been a big issue for us had we not been able to recover so quickly. But the Rubrik set up, the platform kicked in, and it absolutely delivered. We restored business back to normal in no time at all.
Due to the attack, we had to close down all the servers, so the main system's out of action. So we brought back what's called Active Directory first, and then the main key pieces that we need to run the business. So the data that was protected by Rubrik, we had recovered and back in a matter of minutes. Data that wasn't protected took weeks to get back. Very, very painful process. Using Rubrik to recover was very quick and efficient. The live mount capabilities allowed us to recover with confidence. I'd say for anyone in retail or any other business, you need to take recovery seriously. Make sure you've got a robust, tested solution that helps you get back up and running as quickly and efficiently as possible. With Rubrik, we experienced 0% data loss with 0% impact to our core business. We paid nothing at all in ransom fees, and we were up and running within 24 hours, which is fantastic.
I used to treat recovery with a pretty laissez-faire attitude. The ransomware situation completely changed that. I can't recommend the Rubrik platform enough.